Morning friends, we are doing exercise 3.7 which is optional of NCERT 10th class book. Now as we see, this optional exercise is not important for the exam point of view, but this is very important exercise for making your mind to solve these question. If you are solving this question, then you will be a great student in math. Many teachers suggest to leave this optional exercise, but I suggest do this exercise. It will help you to improve your maths knowledge. So first of all, we have to do first question. The first question is: the ages of two friends Ani and Viju differ by 3 years. Ani father Dharma is twice old as Ani and Viju is twice old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharma differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Ani and Viju. Now according to question, we supposed the age of Ani is X and the age of Viju is Y. As per the question, the age of Viju and the age of Ani differ by 3 years. So if Ani is older, then Viju will be younger. So if Ani is older, then difference will be from x minus y equal to 3. If Viju is older, then difference will be y minus x equal to 3. That will be x plus y equal to 3. This is our second equation, and this is our first equation. Now as given in the question, the Dharma is the father of Ani. So Ani's father Dharma age is Dharma's age is twice the Viju, so it will be 2x, and the age of sister Kathy, which is the who is the sister of Viju. So now the age of Kathy is half of the Viju, as given in the question. Viju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. Viju is twice the sister Kathy, so Kathy will be half of the Viju's age. So now the age of Kathy will be by 2. As we see, Ani's father Dharma is always older than Kathy, so there is only one equation. So difference of the ages of Dharma and Kathy is, so Dharma's age is 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30 years. So we are in 30 years, and this is the equation third. First of all, we are taking Ani is older, so taking first equation first and equation third, and by solving we get answer. So by solving equation first and equation third, by elimination method. First of all, we are writing the first equation. The first equation is x minus y equal to 3, and the second equation is 2x minus y by 2 equal to 30. After solving this equation, we will taking LCM. So this will become 4x minus y upon 2 equal to 30. So 4x minus y equal to 60. This is our second equation, which we will convert it from this equation, and this is our first. And now we have to multiply 4 in first equation and multiply it by 1 in first equation, or we can easily subtract this from this to eliminate y. So we are eliminating the y variable, we are eliminating this variable, this. Now we are writing 2's equation like this: 4x minus y equal to 60. And now we are subtract equation second from equation first. So here will be the minus sign, this minus will become plus, and there is a minus, so minus 3x, and this by will cancelled out, equal to 60 minus 3 is minus 57. Minus will cut it from both side, x equal to 57 upon 3. So x will be 19 years old. We get x equal to 19. Now we are putting the value of x equal to 19 in equation first. So our equation first is x minus y equal to 3. So 19 minus y equal to 3. So 19 minus 3 equal to y. This y will go this side and this 3 will go this side. So 19 minus 3 will be 16 equal to y. So if Ani is older than Ani's age is 19 and Biju age is 16. What if Biju is older? If Biju is older, then y minus x equal to 3. So y will be the older. So now we are solving for equation second, but this equation can't be changed. So equation second and equation third. Now for solving equation second and equation third. So we are taking y minus x equal to 3. This is equation second, and we are taking our equation 2x minus y2 equal to 30. Now we are forming them in the general equation, which will be the x plus by plus c equal to 0. So we are taking x this side and y this side. So this will become x plus y equal to 3, and this equation is solved. In the previous solution. So we are taking from there, and so this will be 4x minus y equal to 16. Now we are adding both equations. So 4x minus x equal to 3x, plus minus will be cancelled out, and it will be 63. So x will be 63 upon 3 is equal to 21. Now y minus x equal to 3. This is our second equation. So by putting the value of x, y minus 21 equal to 3. So y will be 21 plus 3 is 24. So if Biju is older than Ani will be 21 and Biju will be 24. This is our solution. We have two solutions, 21 and 24, and the first solution is 9.